Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I missed you dolls. I freaking missed you dolls, okay? It's been a minute, but I'm back with some hot content for you. As we all know, Rihanna just dropped some bomb new products to her cosmetics line. She dropped some summer glow, spring glow products, her body lava, her fairy balm, and a kabuki brush, which I'm so excited to demo for you guys today because listen, these things have been buzzing. I know there's lots of reviews all over on it, but I wanted to weigh in on this and I wanted to demo it and I wanted to give my opinion on it because I not only love Rihanna, but I love a good bronzy summer glow. So I thought this would be great for my channel. Today we will be reviewing the body lava, the fairy balm, and the kabuki brush that Riri just dropped about a week ago, literally. I'm so excited to even, you know, have these products so soon for you dolls. So if you dolls are interested in seeing what these goodies are hitting for, then stay tuned and continue watching. But before I let you dolls see the good stuff for today, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then what are you waiting for? I will definitely feel away if you're watching right now and you're not subscribed to my channel. Okay? The first thing I'm going to try out is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Body Lava. And I got it in the shade Brown Sugar because you know I'm brown skin poppin'. I believe the other one is called Who Needs Clothes, and it's like a peachy rose gold, which might be really, really nice, but I don't think that'll be for, you know, the darker skin tones. Okay, this is 3 fluid ounces, which is a lot. It's pretty heavy. It feels like a brick of gold about to drop out of here right now. Oh, yes. This looks like, what was his name? Austin Powers Mojo. This is exactly what this looks like. So I'm going to use this and I'm going to use the brush to apply it. Right now it's just a lot of nice model-like bone structure going on my chest. So we're going to, you know, make it pop and make it glow. I'm going to just pull this down. So this is the kabuki brush that she uses to apply her body lava. I'm actually going to try to apply the body lava the same way Rihanna did it. Somebody cue my music in a few seconds. I need some Biggie, Get Money. Let me give it a little shake. She had that bad bitch resting stare, glare going on. So I'm going to try to serve some Rihanna vibes, alright? Oh, but honey. Oh, God. This smells good. Ooh. Oh, I'm going to flex real quick for you. So this is the shoulder with the body lava, and this is the shoulder without. As you can see, it is just flat, bland, dry, ashy, plain Janin. And then we have Pow. We are like serving sun goddess on this side. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to the rest of my chest area. I love it. Ooh. Don't get too carried away now. Let's catch this vibe again. For what it's worth, I'm loving the glow. It's giving me like a nice, natural, oily, really nice glow. Alright, it is a little sticky, but I'm sure once I put my Puff Pass Puff Balm on it, it's gonna take the stickiness away. My final thoughts on this body lava is absolutely love it. Not to mention the packaging itself is amazing. I feel like this is gonna last me about 2-3 summers, just because I'm only gonna be, nah, I'm lying. Listen, I'm gonna be using this all year round, not just summer and spring. So this is probably gonna last me about 2 years. But if you use it just for the summer seasons, then this is definitely gonna last you some time. So $60, very pricey, but I'm gonna say it's worth it, especially with this packaging. This is like real glass right here. The kabuki brush, I'm gonna have to test it on makeup before I can like make my final opinion on it and if it's actually worth $32. But to be honest with you, I'd rub this on with my hand if I really wanted to. Now moving on to the Fairy Balm. This is in the shade Rose on Ice. There's only one shade and it's absolutely beautiful. I just had to get my hands on it. And it smells so good. Alright, I'm definitely still sticky, so now I'm going to just dab some of this Fairy Balm. Well, let me rub it on my hand first just to see how it's going to come out. I'm going to just try to penetrate it a little bit because nothing's coming out as of right now. So we're going to just puff pass along on my chest with this and take this glow to a whole nother level. Let me know if you see a difference. Ooh, I for sure do. For sure. So on the sponge, you can see where the rose gold is coming out. Like right here, and right here. So I'm gonna just rub it along myself. Oh yeah, I just want to put this all over my face now. Let's give my face a little glow too. Can't forget my neck. Yeah, honey, yes. Alright, so I'm definitely digging the glow. I'm sure you guys remember how dry and boring I looked before the glow. And now look at me, I'm just gleaming. So it's still sticky, maybe because not too much of the Fairy Balm came off. And this cost like $42. I believe. I think this was $42. So for what it's worth, I would like to see more product puff out of this. And I feel like I shouldn't have to beat on myself as hard as I'm beating on myself. But you want to know what? Who cares? Because it's Rihanna. Okay? And it just looks so good. Look at me. Look at me glow. I absolutely love it. Let me know what you dolls think about it. I am glowing. Would you purchase it? Would you not? Let me know in the comment section below. Give me a thumbs up if you dolls are liking this glow right now. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Let me know what other content you would like to see from me. What other things you would like me to review, demo, or try out for you dolls. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to join the notification gang, and I'll see you dolls in my next video. Bye, dolls.